Okay, y'all, here is the pasta right here that I'm boiling. And this is the sausage, and this is the chicken. This is my sauteed vegetables. And as soon as the pasta is ready, I will drain it and start to build the Alfredo, chicken Alfredo. And I'll cut up a couple pods of garlic and put in there. And I'll pause right here and I will be back. Okay, y'all, this is my sauce that I'm making. I have not put my Parmesan cheese in yet. This is a 1/4 cup of Marcella cooking wine, 2 cups of chicken broth, and 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, along with my garlic and my basil and my dried parsley. And I have my onions in here and everything. And this is the pasta that I've slightly cooked, and I'll put that in. Once I bring this to a good boil and add the cheese in, then I'll put my pasta in. But I'll come right back and show you what I have here. Remember now, 2 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, a 1/4 cup of Marcella cooking wine. And if I need to add any more broth, I will, but